Welcome back, everybody. This is going to be so exciting. I have the brand new Blackstone camping griddle. Let's make breakfast. Ice fishing at 11 Mile Reservoir in Park County, Colorado. We have two brand new Blackstone camping griddles. These are available at Walmart in the camping aisle. If you want more details, go to Blackstone social media or go to my YouTube channel, Todd Toven on YouTube, Todd Toven on Instagram. All sorts of videos on the brand new camping griddles. Prepped most of my food at home except for potatoes. I have these tiny potatoes in the kitchen, so I'm gonna chop these up into a rough home fry. Didn't want to mess with having to soak these in water or having them turn brown, so I figured I could just do potatoes here on the lake. I'm gonna have to be creative today. Apparently I left my cooking oil on the countertop at home, so we'll start out with some bacon so we can get a little oil. Ice cold, thick bacon. There's a brand new bacon press, a griddle press, and this is specifically for the camping griddles or for the E-Series. Of course, camping griddles do have a cast aluminum top with a coated surface. You need to use something like this. And one more thing about the brand new Blackstone camping griddles, they are in the Walmart camping aisle, not in the garden center. Whole line of Blackstone camping items. We can keep that bacon nice and flat. I like to flip my bacon early and often. That way we know what's going on underneath and we don't flip it at the end to find out that we burned our bacon, and keep using that griddle press. I also brought along some Jimmy Dean sausage. Bacon and sausage on the ice. Park County, Colorado, 9,000 feet. Bacon is starting to cook nicely. Let's drop our sausage patties. And I'm still gonna flip that bacon every couple of minutes, make sure it doesn't burn. In case you're wondering, I started out up high here, but when the bacon started cooking, I went way down to low. Bacon and sausage sizzling away. Here we go, first ever flip, first ever sear on the new camping griddle. Sausage really couldn't look much better. Let's check out the bacon. Oh my goodness, really couldn't look any better. Probably 60% done. I'm gonna go ahead and stack this into one big pile like this. Take advantage of all that beautiful bacon and sausage grease and straight down with our potatoes. Like I said, I prepped everything at home, including some minced onion, Blackstone SPG. Salt, pepper, and garlic, perfect for potatoes. Potatoes starting to sizzle. Bacon looks great. And I don't want my sausage to burn. Now I can go to town with these potatoes. Oh yeah, sizzling. And they are looking out of this world. Wish you could smell it. I wish you had smell-o-vision. We have a propane flame, a natural gas flame. One of the things I like best about the camping griddles is they get up super hot, 500 degrees, just like a 36-inch griddle, but they get up to full temp in about 5 minutes, so quick. Remember though, non-stick surface, you definitely want to use a Blackstone spatula, plastic spatula. You're never going to use metal on this. Sausage and bacon in a holding pattern, potatoes sizzling up, and they are looking right nice. If you're wondering how even this thing cooks, check it out. From back to front, sizzle action, baby. I'll scoot my potatoes over to the side. You may or may not have seen this. brand new. This is a large omelet ring. It's a rectangle. These come in a 4-pack. 2 of these with 2 different double egg ring sets at Walmart. I scrambled some eggs at home. I'm gonna put about 3 eggs inside my egg ring. Some diced tomato, chopped spinach, cheddar cheese, and a little Wawa Chihuahua. Almost forgot I chopped up some jalapenos at home. Throw into my home fries. I don't want to forget about those. Always like to have some bell pepper, some jalapeno, or some chilies in my home fries. Oh man, check these things out. Look at the color. Turn my omelet ring sideways. This is where this non-stick surface really shines. I mean, look at this. It's like a little ice skating rink. I might have put just a little too much egg in my omelet ring. Let's see how it goes. All right, hey, I think we have success. Now we should be able to fold this over into a really pretty omelet. Might have to make a little fold in the egg, and then we'll give it one last push. All right, there's my omelet. Not too bad for self-filming and cooking in the middle of a frozen lake in Colorado. Top our omelet with a little bit of green onion and another sprinkle of the Wawa Chihuahua. Down with the sourdough bread. See if our bread is ready. Oh yeah. When I make a breakfast like this, I just have to have Rustik Oven sourdough toast. I think we're just about done. Take a look at that. And we can admire and serve this up straight off the griddle. Use my camping griddle scraper to cut my bread in 2, just like that. And I've been trying to give a shout out to my buddy L for a long time. Big L sent me what he calls a gaggle of their Angry Goose hot sauces. He sent me the mango habanero, the Caribbean sun, but today I'm gonna use Eva's mango jalapeno. We already prayed. The kids have been eating for 5 minutes because it's taken me a while to move the camera around. Let's give it a try. Scrambled omelet or sunny side up. I just have to have mine on bread. I don't have time to give you a let's give it a try of everything, but there's the delicious sausage patty. Oh my goodness. So good. Blackstone camping griddles. There's 2 of them. I used one today. There's another one that has a side burner, a range top. Blackstone fire pits, Blackstone camping air fryer. All of this stuff and much more available at Walmart in the camping aisle. Check it out, walmart.com. Gonna let you go. We're going back to ice fishing. Until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the food. Just when I signed off, I realized I left you hanging. So if you want to try Big Al and his son's hot sauce, angrygoosehotsauce.square.site. And I forgot to show you how to clean the griddle. You never want to use metal on here. Just grab a plastic spatula or this handy Blackstone scraper made specifically for the camping griddle. It's as slick as an ice skating rink, so this is going to take almost 0% effort. Paper towel, get your grease off there. Put any crumbs back into the grease cup. No different than how you would clean your backyard Blackstone griddle. That's it. Total cleaning time, 30 seconds or less.